Hi folks, Happy New Year. Phil bringing you another DIY project. I have this electronic lock set from Schlage that I've had on this garage door for a number of years, and recently it's been acting up, so I got a new one. I'm going to be replacing this set. Basically it doesn't respond to button pressing all the time, and it's been giving me a lot of trouble. So we're going to take that apart and put in a new one here. Okay. That's the first part. Take off the interior handle side, and this has a 9-volt battery which I need to disconnect, and then it has a connector right in here that I have to also disconnect. There. And then this part lifts off because it was held on by these plastic tabs. And then once you have that inner plastic part off, the exterior part just slides right out like that. So that's the exterior part. I didn't really have to, but I think I'm going to replace the I forget what this is called. Latch. Put in the new one. Okay, this is the new one that will go on the outside. Just feed the wire through first, and then this part goes in like so. And then to secure it in place, you have this part, which you're going to feed this connector through this opening right here, like so. And then there's a screw right there that's got to go through this opening right here, and that's what will hold the plastic piece in place. Okay, so once everything is secure in place, we need to put the interior handle on, or the interior assembly, and it just slips right on. And turn this knob until it seats, like that. Then the last bit that there's a couple of tabs that you have to push in order to make the handle fit over. And once you do that, it's done. For the exterior, this is how it came. So I have to pull this handle off and turn it over so that this handle's over here. Otherwise, obviously, this won't close. Right? There is a little tool that they supply that will allow you to take that handle off. You just press in here and it pops off. Turn it around and pops in. That's it. You're good to go. And it comes with a code sticker. On it, there's something called a user code and a program code. And it comes pre-programmed with 2 user codes that will unlock the lock. And then to change that code, you have to use what's called the program code. I won't get into that. You can read the directions if you get one of these. It's very simple. So I'm just going to make sure that the one of the 2 user codes works. So the first one is 8383. 8383. And it didn't work. Try again. Oh, there, that worked. I just didn't press it right from the first time. And the second one is 6418. 6418. And it works. So we're done.